guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Faith. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what happens to my hair when I go to the hair salon. If you didn't know, my hair is naturally curly, so I go to the hair salon every 2 weeks to get it straightened. In this video, I'm not going to show the products I use for my hair just yet. That will be in another video, so that's going to be my hair care routine. I will show you guys all the products, but today I'm going to show you what happens to my hair when I go to the hair salon. So without further ado, let's get started. So that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for a hair care routine where I'm going to show you guys the products that I use in my hair. Today was just what I do at the hair salon, so like a hair routine. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.